Hello everyone, Mamtaja here. So today we are going to talk about how to get rid of our negativities. Yes, how we are going to just get rid of these negative thoughts. People keep on asking me that keep on saying that don't think negative, think always think positive. But what is the process? They were asking simply, what is the process? How can we think positive all the time? So here I am to explain you how we can be positive all the time. What is the main reason why we are not able to think positive every time? So it's very easy, friend. You just listen to my video, and if you like the video, please just subscribe it. So the first reason why we are not able to think positive nowadays is that you just check what are the things you're watching throughout your day. Yes, what are the things you are reading, you are listening. Just have a look. Now you'll come to know that yes, early morning you just get up and just go for your newspaper. And what are the things written there? All of us know today what are the news inside it. So, what we have done? We have absorbed negativity. Then you just switch on the TV, you will get some negative news from there also. Or if else you are watching serial, it will be full of emotions. Okay, so you are unknowingly you are taking that also. If you are talking to someone on the phone, especially during this lockdown or during this COVID, you will come to know about all the problems only. You will discuss about all the problems that yes, he is not well, he has also gone for test and all these type of things. Means that time also you are just absorbing that negativity. If you are talking to your neighbor, you are talking to your family member or anyone, you just keep a watch what you are taking and what you are giving. Every time we take that energy of negativity from others unknowingly. I'm not telling that you are taking it. While talking also we discuss about a lot of things which is unnecessary, which is not important for our life, or which is not at all important. For that discussion is not healthy. So what is the need? But we keep on taking it from everywhere. During night when we go for sleep, that time also before sleeping also you are just busy with your mobile. And mobiles comes on whatever you want to see, you keep on searching, scrolling, and you will get different types of things. Sometimes you will see jokes, sometimes you will see anything like CID or anything horror type, or any kind of news is coming there. So what we are doing, what I want to say is, every time we are absorbing that negativity. And today the atmosphere is so that everyone is just not happy. So they are sending that they are radiating, not sending, they are radiating that vibration of sadness, anxiety, depression. And we are just catching it because we are not so powerful, we are very weak nowadays. So we are just catching their negativities also. So friends, just pay attention. Nothing you have to do, you have to keep you have to be alert. Yes, I can say that you have to be alert at what you are taking from your surrounding, what you are giving to your brain every time. You have to be aware for this you have to work a little, yes, on yourself. As we work for our physical health, we keep on doing exercises, we take good food and all these things. So why not for our mental health? We should also see what information we are taking. Yes, information is the raw material for our thoughts. The raw material which we will take, the kind of thoughts will come into our brain automatically. This will happen. So you just keep on your checking what type of raw material providing to your brain. In the case of our physical health, we just pay attention that yes, this is not good for our health, we should not have junk food and all those things. But while we are reading, looking, talking, listening, we are not paying that attention. What we are just taking from our surroundings, from everywhere. And so slowly what we feel low, sometimes we feel low, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel like we are not having energy in our body, or many things. So this is the main reason. The main cause is your information. Today we have got so much technology, so much media, so much thing. We are keeping on feeding our brain with all types of informations. Don't do that. Sit in silence. And whenever you're getting time, just sit in silence for 5 to 10 minutes also, and just connect yourself with that God, Supreme Soul. That will really make you feel very relaxed, and your mind, it will get energized, you will get power. Okay, do whatever you want to do, but don't collect all these negative informations. Don't do. If someone comes and tell you something about someone else, just stop them. Don't worry what they will think. Just stop him or her, that I don't want to hear. And you will see that you will feel so relaxed. What we do sometimes, we keep on hearing. If we are not interested, then also we have that habit of listening. Don't listen, stop it. Okay, so keep checking what you are taking, what is your input, and it will be very easy for you to think positive all the time. These are the small steps you have to practice, friends. Okay, hope you liked my video, and I'll come with more informations, and always try to be happy. Yes, this is the time of crisis, I know. We just feel that when it is going to become, everything become, when it will become normal and we'll go out. But during this time also you can be healthy, you can be happy. This is only for your, it depends on your practice, how much practice you are doing. Okay, so just work over it. Check your thoughts, check the information you are taking in. Okay, so is it easy or not? Yes, it is very easy. Just check what you are doing throughout your day, what you are taking inside. Okay, chalo, thank you.